this session, I will explain how to use the function of selecting a machining condition. Using this function, you can perform high-speed, high-precision machining by automatically setting the servo-related NC parameters, such as various acceleration, deceleration time constants, and machining function feed rate, in a way that is optimal for your machining conditions. You can modify the machining conditions of the machine depending on your machining details, such as roughing or finishing. You can modify machining conditions from step 1 to step 10 by using R code in the program. You can automatically set servo-related NC parameters, such as various acceleration, deceleration time constants, and machining function feed rate that are related to the mold package. Let's see how to input in MDI mode. Press the Offset button in MDI mode and press the Settings soft key. Press the arrow button on the settings screen to select the Accuracy Level button. Change the value to the level you want at the top of the Accuracy Level screen. However, if you manually change the level, the initial state is restored if you press the Reset button or M30 is commanded in the program. If you want to maintain the model state of the level value without changing the initial state, change the number 1 value of the parameter number 11690 to 0. That is the end of my explanation on how to use the machining condition selection function.